Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am the amazing Angela, and in this video, I will be showing you how to set up this ad bar here at the top so you can promote whatever opportunity that you choose, and how to set up this exit pop-up so when your prospects are looking to leave the page, that shows up. So we're going to do these two in one because they're very short and sweet, straight to the point. So let's go into our back office of LeadsLeap. So for the ad bar, you go to tracker, then you go to ad bar. And once you're here, you just go to add new ad bar, and then you give it a name, right? So you give it Matrix Empire. And then here you want the link where you want your prospects to go. So if I go to mine here and I close this exit pop-up and somebody clicks on this, they will actually go to this page where they get information about creating a free LeadsLeap account. Okay, so you can set it up so that you can promote whatever you want and have them go to wherever link that you want. The benefits of having them go to LeadsLeap is so that they can create a LeadsLeap account under you, so that then they can go ahead and clone this funnel as well. Because what I'm doing here, you can do it for your team as well. So if we go back here, you give it a name, you put the link. If you don't want to put a link, put no URL. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that. I recommend you put a link. And then here, the text, you write what you want to appear here. So I put get free lifetime membership. That's what I have. So you can put here whatever you want them to see. And then choose profile picture. That way you're branding yourself. Always brand yourself. You'd be surprised how powerful that is. And then you can put a tag if you want and hit save. That's as simple as that is, right? That's the ad bar. And the next step is the exit pop-up. So what you need to do is go down to pop-up creator, click that, and then click add a new campaign, give it the name Matrix Empire, click add now. And then what you need to do is add new form to start, and then paste this code. It's going to be in the back office of the course beneath here. And once you import that, go to launch editor. And then all you have to do really is connect your list to this so that when your prospects opt in here, they go to your list. So to do that, you go to step number 3 here, and then get list ID, and then you choose Matrix Empire, right? And like before, you can add your landing page here. If you do add the landing page, make sure it opens the new window and then hit save right here, okay? And as usual, if you wanted to change anything here, you just click there and change the wording there. Click there and change, click and change, whatever it is that you want to do, okay? That is how simple it is for you to actually create the ad bar and the pop-up. Once those have been created, the next step is to go back to your funnel builder, no, page builder, page manager, click page manager, okay? So now we want to add those two things that we created separately to our page. Then what you need to do is go here to that edit button, right? Scroll down and then go to insert ad bar. You click here and you find the ad bar that you created, you choose it. And then same here, exit pop-up, you find the exit pop-up you just created, and then you save them, right? So this will make sense. Watch the video and then go back. So what we did is we created the ad bar by going to ad bar, right? We created it, it was just there, we left it there, and then we went to pop-up. We created the pop-up, and then we just left it there, and then we went to our actual page, the page that we want these things to appear. We click the edit button there, and then we added them onto that capture page, and we hit save. So once that's done, when you click your page, right, the exit pop-up will be, the ad bar will be at the top, and when you try to leave, the exit pop-up will appear, okay? So very, very straightforward, simple, powerful page that you can create. So thank you so much. If you found value, smash that like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and there's a link to my Facebook profile page in the description as well. Otherwise, what I recommend for you to do is just follow the next videos to learn how to use it.